Good morning, mga lalabs. Kuwait time now is 5 a.m. Ang aga naming nagising. It's Friday. Dali, kasi mag-grocery and then we will go to Seaside. Sa dali sa, that's your favorite sa going to Seaside. Kasi gusto niya mag-eat ng green grass. Dude, Dali. Dali. What are you looking at the back, Dali? Come here, come here. Ali. Come. Betul lang po. 5 a.m. pa dito. Nagising kami ng 3:30 kasi shower para magdasal ng morning prayer.